Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off talkback setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to off your talkback, so how can you off? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to off guys talkback? Guys, click on phone setting and double tap, and guys scroll with your two fingers. Guys, scroll it friends, you can see your accessibility guys, tap here, one tap and double tap. Guys, talk back setting, tap, double tap, tap here guys, turn off. So guys, your talkback will off in your Samsung phone guys. Then guys, you can use guys your phone without any problem guys. Talkback setting, as you can see guys, talkback is off. So like that guys, you want to off your talkback, you can off in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.